guys?
Hi guys, and welcome back to my channel, and obviously Justin is with me. Yeah, this is going to be like a very random video for tonight, but Justin had this great idea and I thought I just had to vlog it and see if it works out. So what we are doing is we are trying to recreate the Shack burger from Shake Shack.
Yeah.
And so we just started making everything. So Justin is going to make the really fine patties.
And let me tell them what's in the secret Shack sauce. You can't tell anyone, guys. Okay, it's a secret. Okay, we started off like the base is mayonnaise, and it has to be with eggs, like real mayonnaise. That's key. And then we added Dijon mustard, some ketchup, and then cayenne pepper. I don't really know what this does. Did you taste it a lot in there, or?
It just makes it like a little spicy, that's all.
We made it and we mixed it up. Kate mixed it up.
Yeah.
And it actually tastes like Shack sauce. And
It
it's just going to be
tastes so good.
fire. So what we're doing now is we're going to cold press some mince into the pan like they do. And that's how they like cook like the little flat patties, and it gets a little crispy on it. And then we bought the potato rolls, which is what they use. And we're going to toast these in the pan as well. And then Kate's cutting up a tomato and some leaf lettuce. And then I have American cheese, and that's going to be the Shack burger. Oh my god, I've been waiting for the first bite for like 10 minutes.
Sorry. Sorry about the lighting. You can't really see us too well, but that's not going to be an issue in the new place.
Here we go.
So,
Cheers for the burger.
whoop.
Cheers.
Okay. That's so good. I'm
Wow.
trying to take a huge bite so I could get like the
The
sauce
Shack
and
sauce.
everything. I need to take one more, I think, because I can't taste the tomato yet.
The Shack sauce is fire. We just created Shake Shack at home. Amazing.
Wow. That tastes so good. Well, now I know what you're having for work tomorrow. I'm jealous. Wow, that's so good.
And it looks like a Shake Shack burger because I got like the right potato buns.
Yeah.
Like the buns. Oh,
Literally, the sauce is what makes it. It's so good.
amazing. Helped by you.
Yeah, I made the sauce. And I chopped the tomato. And I toasted the buns. That's pretty much all I did. Justin is teaching me how to cook because I'm not really the best cook, but I think I also just don't like cooking. I think if I really liked it, I would try to cook more and get better. So yeah, but Jay is
also,
definitely...
Cheers, Lily.
Cheers, Lily. Yeah, Lily is... I don't know, I say that a lot. We mention Lily a lot in our videos. She's one of my friends from Australia, and she's like the nicest person that you will ever meet. And she's an amazing chef. She's so good at cooking, and she has her own like cake business where she makes these like extravagant cakes. I'll actually put the link to her Instagram for her like cake page so you guys can see, but oh my gosh, she makes the best cakes. I miss her in my life because I miss all her good food and her cookies.
Those are fire. It's perfect amount of sauce.
So good.
Okay, bye guys.
Okay guys, so it is now 8 p.m. and we're kind of turning this into a vlog now, and we are going to Target. So yeah, this is gonna be fun. We love going to Target and just like...
Don't say we. No, I'm joking.
Yes, we love going to Target and like just doing like Target is just so much fun. I just love looking at all the stuff they have.
And
yeah, I'm probably gonna see if they have anything cute for the apartment, and then I also want to pick up a book. And if my parents are watching this, because they watch all of my videos, they're going to be like, what, did Kate say a book? I literally never ever read, and my parents always like say that that's so bad and everything like that, but I just am so fussy about what I read. But when I work as a nanny, during the summer I often am at the pool and the kids are playing and I just don't have anything to do, and I figured this would be a great time to get a book and to read during that time. So I'm going to pick up a book and actually read. So wow, Kate is improving herself. Who is this? I don't know. But yeah, so we're on our way to Target, so we will see you when we get there. Hey guys, so we just got back from Target and it's like 9:15. I can never get dressed in the vlog and I'm so tired. I literally have just been yawning so much, like I'm just so tired. So I think we're gonna end the vlog here. It wasn't like much of a vlog, but I guess I just kind of wanted to film something and I thought this would be like a cool idea, and then I figured, well, since we're going to Target, I might as well film that too. And yeah, if you go to Target, they have literally like a million different things for college stuff. So literally most of Target was just full of like everything that you need for college. So I guess that's like a really good place to go, because there wasn't that many like regular stuff at Target, I guess, if that makes sense. But yeah, let me show you what I picked up real quick. So, okay, so the first book I got was the Rachel Hollis Girl Stop Apologizing. So I'm really excited for this one. I've seen everyone reading this and it says a shame-free plan for embracing and achieving your goals. So I thought that would be a really good book. And then I got this, which is You Are a Badass, and it says how to stop and it says how to stop doubting your greatness and start living an awesome life. So
I'm gonna read that one first.
Yeah, so what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna read this one first, and then I'm gonna give this to Jay because he wanted to read it too, so he's gonna read that first, and we will let you know what we think of these books. So yeah, anyway, thank you guys so much for watching, and I really hope you guys enjoyed this vlog. If you like these kind of videos and you want us to do more videos where we try and create like our favorite meals from a takeout place or something like Chipotle, let us know if you want us to start recreating that. We can kind of make that into a series. Yeah. Especially once we're in the new apartment, that'll be so nice. So yeah, anyway, I'm going to bed. I'm gonna make some peppermint tea. And yeah, I will see you guys all in next week's videos. Bye guys!